Do you know that you can control your laptop without touching it? By doing some hand movement like this, you can control your lot of functionality of the laptop, like changing the power presentation slides, increasing the volume of VLC media player, decreasing the volume, or if you want to forward your video. So a lot of features are there that you can do just by giving some instruction by your hand. It's kind of magic. So let's see which component is required for making this wonderful project. So for making this project, you need one Arduino Uno and two ultrasonic sensor. Now let's discuss a small point how this will work actually. As you know that if you will press any key from your keyboard, so what will happen? One signal will send to the microprocessor. According to that, you will see some output on your computer screen. If that particular signal we can send without pressing any key, the same output we are going to get, right? So today we will set some logic using Arduino, and by these sensors we will send specific signals for performing the specific task. So for making this project, you need some software part also. The required software is Arduino IDE and Python software. So let's see how to make this project. Be with me up to the last and you will come with a mind-blowing Arduino project hand gesture laptop. So this is the circuit diagram. Follow it. This is damn easy to make. Now I will show you how to do the connection quickly. So here I am connecting the VCC and ground pin to the Arduino VCC and 5 volt. Give 5 volt power to your ultrasonic sensor, and there is only one 5 volt pin and you have two sensor. So either you can use breadboard or you can connect one 5 volt to the 5 volt and another into the V in pin of the Arduino. Now let's talk about the software. So you need two software, one is Python and another is Arduino IDE. I already gave the download link of Python and Arduino IDE in description box. Go and download from there. After successful installation of your Arduino IDE and Python, we need to install some Python packages and libraries. So connect your laptop with internet and open your command prompt and give the instruction get pip.py. Hit enter. Your pip package will start installing. I have already installed it. That's why first it will uninstall and then install. So let's wait. It may take some time. Yeah, successfully installed. Now we need to download a library called PyAutoGUI. So give the command pip install PyAutoGUI and hit enter. Wait few seconds. It will be installed. After installing everything, close your command window and open your Arduino IDE software. And this is the very simple code. You can download this code from the description link. Upload this code into your Arduino board. Now open your Python script and write this very simple few lines code. This link is also given in description box. Now run your program. I have already opened this PyShell, so I am cutting it again. I am running it. So run your program and you will see that some output is coming from the serial monitor in your PyShell screen, right? It means everything is fine. Now let's test it. So here I am going to play a video and going to manage the volume of this video without touching my laptop keyboard. See, it's perfectly working. So So after that, I will show you how to change the power presentation slide. Now this is next, this is backward, next. When I am using only one sensor, so there I set at the logic of next and back, so it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe this channel, share the video and like it. See you in next video.